the heart of a bustling city lived a young man, 30 years old. In his 20s, he had soared, built a thriving business, earned wealth, fame, and admiration. He ruled his world like a king. But life is not always a clear blue sky. One market crash, one merciless wave, and everything collapsed overnight. His bank accounts emptied, his dreams shattered like glass. His confidence, once unshakable, now trembled with doubt. Feeling lost and broken, he heard of a wise Baba who lived quietly in an ancient ashram hidden among the hills. With no hope left, the young man journeyed there, carrying only his silent grief. Under the shade of a massive neem tree, the Baba sat, serene, timeless, as if the seasons themselves bowed to his stillness. The young man bowed low, and through cracked voice poured out his sorrow. "Baba," he said, "I had everything, and now I have nothing. I am stuck. I cannot move forward." The Baba opened his eyes, deep as endless rivers, and said softly, "Come, walk with me." They walked to the edge of a cliff, where the horizon stretched wide. The Baba pointed to the sky, where a mighty eagle soared high. Slicing through the clouds with effortless grace, he spoke, his voice calm like a river at dawn. When an eagle is young, it soars with unmatched power. Its wings command the wind. It rules the endless sky. But when the eagle turns 40, its beak becomes too bent to catch prey. Its talons grow dull and weak, its feathers grow heavy, weighing it down. It can no longer soar. It faces a choice: fade into death, or endure a painful rebirth. The young man listened with bated breath. The Baba continued, "The eagle flies to a hidden mountaintop. There, it strikes its old beak against the rocks. Breaking it, it tears off its worn-out talons. It plucks out its heavy feathers one by one. Alone, bleeding and in pain, it waits. Slowly, a new beak grows. Strong talons return. Fresh feathers spread from its wings. And when it rises again, it soars higher and freer than it ever did before." For next 30 years, the Baba turned, his eyes locking into the young man's soul, and spoke in a tone deep and soft. "You once soared, my child. You ruled your winds. But life demands we not cling to our first flight. Your beak must break. Your old feathers must fall. Your talons of pride, of comfort, must be surrendered. Only through the courage to endure pain, only through the silence of self-rebirth, will your spirit find the skies waiting for you." The young man stood motionless. Tears blurred his vision, but not from weakness, from realization. The fall was not his ending. It was his shedding. It was his becoming. That night, under a star-blanketed sky, he sat outside the ashram, not as a broken man, but as an eagle preparing for his second, higher flight. Moral of the story is, life does not break you to destroy you. It breaks you to remake you stronger, freer, and truer. If you have fallen, remember, you are not finished. You are being reborn. Your fall was not your fall. It was your call to fly again, higher, freer, stronger. Comment: My rebirth has begun. Like if you believe stillness before the storm brings the fiercest flight. Subscribe to Epic Inspire Stories for your daily dose of unshakable courage. Share with a warrior who's quietly building their second flight. The sky is waiting for you.